Welcome the students in science class. Class 8, Unit 4, Pressure. Topics: atmospheric pressure, importance of atmospheric pressure, liquid pressure, characteristic of liquid pressure, density and relative density, floating and sinking, numerical. Pressure. The force acting perpendicularly per unit area is called pressure. It is denoted by capital P. Its unit is Newton per square meter or Pascal. Mathematical formula. Pressure equals to force upon area. Liquid pressure. The pressure exerted by liquid on the bottom of its container due to its own weight is called liquid pressure. Mathematical formula. Liquid pressure equals to S into D into G, where S equals to depth of liquid, D equals to density of liquid, G equals to acceleration due to gravity. Proof of P equals to SdG. Consider PB liquid pressure, S be the depth of liquid, D be the density of liquid, and G be the acceleration due to gravity. M be the mass of liquid and V be the volume of liquid. We know P equals to F upon A, or P equals to M into G upon A, since F equals to M into G. Or P equals to D into V into G upon A, since M equals to D into V. Or P equals to D into A into S into G upon A, since P equals to A into H. Or P equals to D into S into G. Therefore, P equals to SdG. Proved. Atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the atmospheric air on the surface of the earth is called atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure at the sea level is 1,01,300 Newton per square meter or 760 mm Hg. Importance of atmospheric pressure. To fill ink into a fountain pen. To fill a syringe. To inflate a bicycle tube with a pump. To lift water using a hand pump. Characteristic of liquid pressure. The pressure of a liquid increases with the increase of depth. Pressure is more at downflow. Liquid transmits equal pressure normally in all directions. Liquid takes the shape of its container. Liquid maintains their level. Density. The mass of unit volume of the body is called density. It is denoted by small d. Its unit is kilogram per cubic meter. Mathematical formula. Density equals to mass upon volume. The substance with more density sinks. The substance with less density floats. Relative density. The ratio of density of a substance to the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is called relative density. Mathematical formula. Relative density equals to density of substance upon density of water. Sinking and floating. Floating object has less density than the liquid. Egg floats on salt water because egg has less density than salt water. Sinking objects has more density than liquid. Egg sinks in water because egg has more density than water. Numericals. 1. Calculate the pressure of water at the bottom of a well if the depth of water is 10 meter. G equals to 9.8 meter per square second. Solution. Depth of water S equals to 10 meter. Acceleration due to gravity G equals to 9.8 meter per square second. Density of water D equals to 1000 kilogram per cubic meter. Pressure of water P equals to watt. We know pressure P equals to SdG equals to 10 into 1000 into 9.8 equals to 98,000 Pascal. 2. In the given figure, find the pressure exerted by the liquid at its base. G equals to 9.8 meter per square second. Solution. Depth of liquid S equals to 4 meter. Acceleration due to gravity G equals to 9.8 meter per square second. Density of liquid D equals to 300 kg per cubic meter. Pressure of liquid P equals to what? We know pressure P equals to SdG equals to 4 into 300 into 9.8 equals to 11,760 Pascal. 3. Calculate the mass of a block of ice having volume 5 cubic meter. Density of ice equals to 920 kg per cubic meter. Solution. Density of ice block D equals to 920 kg per cubic meter. Volume of ice block V equals to 5 cubic meter. Mass of ice block M equals to what? We know density equals to mass upon volume, or 920 equals to mass upon 5, or 920 into 5 equals to mass, or 4,600 equals to mass. Therefore, mass equals to 4,600 kg. 4. A tank with dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter into 2 meter contains water up to half portion. What is the pressure at the base of the tank? Density of water is 1000 kg per cubic meter and G equals to 9.8 meter per square second. Solution. Dimension of tank equals to 3 meter into 2 meter into 2 meter. Height of tank equals to 2 meter. Tank is half filled with water. Depth of water S equals to 1 meter. Acceleration due to gravity G equals to 9.8 meter per square second. Density of water D equals to 1000 kg per cubic meter. Pressure of water P equals to what? We know pressure P equals to SdG equals to 1 into 1000 into 9.8 equals to 9,800 Pascal.